Distinguished guests, valued clients, and trusted partners, good morning. Thank you for joining us today. We will be launching Huawei's new intelligent collaboration product. My name is Kemokhotitse Busielo. It is a pleasure for me to be your host for this incredible launch event. First, let's go through the morning's agenda. We will begin with a welcome speech by Mr. Liao Yong, the president of Huawei's Enterprise Business Group, followed shortly by Mr. Gao Zhuo, a director in the Intelligent Collaboration Sales Department. After that, we'll have Mr. James Kamau Maina, an expert also in the Intelligent Collaboration Department, giving us a view of the product introduction and a demo. Shortly after that, we'll have a view from yours truly, myself, taking you through the usage of the IdeaHub in various industries. We will then have a presentation from our channel partners. And lastly, we'll wrap up with a summary and a Q&A. If you have any questions about this new solution, chat to us. You can enter them on the side of the live screen. We will respond to you online and in real time. If you have any further queries, please feel free to send them to the email address below. Your questions will be answered as soon as possible. Now, I would like to invite the president of Huawei Enterprise Business Group for the Southern Africa region to the stage to welcome you, our esteemed guests.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Liao Yong, the president of Huawei Southern Africa Region Enterprise Business. I would like to extend my warmest welcome to all of our customers, partners, media friends, and industry colleagues for joining us today at our 2020 Intelligent Collaboration product launch. Due to the current pandemic situation, we have to host the event online. Huawei is proud to have assisted the South Africa government, as well as other governments in the region in the fight against COVID-19. While we hope the pandemic ends as soon as possible, we want to remind you to take good care of yourself and others during this time. Our vision has always been to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. In the smart office theme, to make enterprise convenient and efficient, Huawei provides universal 4K and AI in a free range of endpoints to improve the work and production efficiency of enterprises. Distinguished guests, it's my honor today to officially welcome you all to the launch of the incredible solution. I trust that we will have a fruitful sharing of ideas, and I'm looking forward to cooperating with you in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Liao, for that warm welcome. Next, let's bring to the stage Gao Zhuo, the director in the Intelligent Collaboration Sales Department, to take us through the new product range.
Hi everyone. Firstly, I will introduce the Huawei all-scenario smart office strategy. That's just 1 plus 3 plus X. Let's look into details. 1 refers one unified platform, which could be Huawei cloud service or on-premise deployment. 3 refers 3 types of intelligent collaboration endpoints. These are video conferencing endpoints, interactive whiteboards, and the intelligent desktop series. X refers open cooperation and ecosystems, including software and hardware ecosystems. We will cooperate with ecosystem partners to provide a service for enterprise in various industries. Let's further discuss the 3, which refer to our 3 types of intelligent collaboration endpoints. The first one is video conferencing endpoints, which have ranked #1 in China for 7 years. And we also a major player in Southern Africa market. The second one is the interactive whiteboards, which is a new brand product with a breakthrough design and is the best product for the smart office industry. The last one is our new intelligent desktop, which is in development, but we have plans to launch soon. As we know, core technology is fundamental for cutting-edge products. Huawei has some core technologies here. Firstly, 26 years experience in premium audio, video, and collaboration technologies. Secondly, Quantum and Ascend chips that provide the industry's most powerful AR computing power and full-stack AR solutions. Lastly, prosperous cloud ecosystem and comprehensive terminals. In addition, our long-term investment in R&D and technical accumulation is a catalyst for us to build optimal productivity tools. The intelligent collaboration endpoints can meet all office requirements for small, medium, and larger enterprise, such as high-end immersive conference and a remote mobile office, meaning you can access a video conference session anywhere, anytime, and from any endpoints. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the new Huawei IdeaHub. At this moment, I'm excited to launch our new IdeaHub Series products, which comprise 3 models: IdeaHub S, IdeaHub Pro, and IdeaHub Enterprise, that are all available in 65 and 86-inch screen size. IdeaHub S and IdeaHub Pro are designed for smart office and both support 1080p and 4K video resolution. IdeaHub Enterprise is designed to fulfill the demanding visual and audio in the enterprise offices. The digital transformation of conventional office space has begun. Let's see what it looks like in next 4 example scenarios with IdeaHub. The first one, for normal meeting room, you can feel the simplicity and the beauty of the IdeaHub at first glance. The second one, in open office area, IdeaHub stimulates creativity with UHD resolution, offering collaboration without boundaries. The third one, for executive office, the IdeaHub screen offers a sense of perfection and class. The last one, in home workspaces, IdeaHub facilitates online work, learning, and training. It's the best experience to work with Huawei Wi-Fi 6 to improve the office efficiency. All wireless access at any time and anywhere, conveniently and easily, all from the comfort of your home office. Now, the IdeaHub product is available for pre-order. That's all from me today. Thank you, and stay with us to see more.
Thank you, Gaojo, for that informative presentation. Next up will be Mr. James Kamal Maina.
Hello everyone. Next, let me walk you through the design concept and product experience of IdeaHub. Superb interactive whiteboard, professional telepresence conferencing, and healthy cloud ecosystem. These are our definition of team collaboration board. First, we want to make the best collaborative board to replace the common projector and whiteboard in most office scenarios. Second, we want everyone to experience professional audio and video effects during a cloud meeting on the large screen. Lastly, based on the Huawei cloud ecosystem, we want to bring IdeaHub into your daily workflow with industry applications. Before introducing the product experience, I would like to spend some time on the hardware design of the product. First, let's look at the product. Unlike the traditional conference whiteboards that give you an impression of cold machines, we hope IdeaHub can instill youthfulness, fashion, and leisure into your office experience. The product is designed with straight stretching lines of minimalism style. The gentle jade white color and slender artistic stand arouse users' interest to use the product. To create a gentle and sentimental tone for the product, we selected 23 colors from hundreds and finally decided to use jade white and titanium gray as the colors of IdeaHub. To give the product a tactile appeal, we adhere to the design concept of 360-degree screw-free of the telepresence family to build IdeaHub into a piece of art. IdeaHub is equipped with a 4K ELED touchscreen. Compared with the D-LED panel, it's 30% thinner. The touchscreen provides 1 mm precision for better handwriting experience. When playing a video, we made sure that the image is bright and smooth. When projecting a PPT, we made sure the small words can be seen easily. To achieve that, IdeaHub identifies the display content and automatically switches the screen display mode to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpness for the best video and text display effect. Now, let's look at the camera. The IdeaHub is equipped with a professional 4K video camera with 1800 TV lines clarity. Its sensor uses the next generation imaging technology to reduce noise and sharpen the image. IdeaHub's camera can capture 4K 30 frames per second video with 1800 TV line clarity, allowing you to even discern a human hair in the video. Currently, most conference panels, even including the flagship product, use consumer-level cameras which already have decent photographing capabilities, but there is still much room for improvement. For example, a flagship product of one of the competitors can only record 4K 10 frames per second video with 1400 TV lines. After introducing the video, let's talk about audio. IdeaHub uses an array of 12 microphones to pick up human voices in a radius of 8 meters using beamforming technology. You may not be familiar with beamforming technology. Let me explain. We can virtualize a microphone into multiple ones using an algorithm and point each virtual microphone to a speaker. This can reduce the ambient noise in a way similar to placing an actual microphone in front of each speaker. In addition to long sound pickup distance, the 12 microphones on the front panel can accurately locate the speaker with precision of 0.5 degrees. Imagine two people sitting side by side 8 meters away. IdeaHub can accurately distinguish who is speaking and display the speaker in the middle of the screen. Currently, we've not seen the use of microphone arrays on other conference panels in the industry. In our user survey, we found that customers often complained about the poor voice quality of conference panels. This is because the frequency spectrum of human voices is between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. Common conference panels can only process low-frequency voices below 8 kHz. The high-frequency voices from 8 kHz to 20 kHz are discarded. In contrast, IdeaHub supports 20 kHz full-spectrum audio processing. Therefore, the sound of IdeaHub is crystal clear. IdeaHub adopts a dual-chip design to provide powerful computing power for upper-layer applications. We compare the hardware specs of IdeaHub with common conference panels. IdeaHub has one quad-core 1.5 GHz CPU and one quad-core 1.8 GHz CPU, as well as 12 GB memory and 64 GB RAM, much higher than industry average. I also want to point out HUAWEI IdeaHub has the native conferencing capability. Other conference panels need to be configured with additional OPS computers to hold video conferences. IdeaHub also supports H.265 1080p hardware codec, while other conference panels support only H.264 720p software codec. H.265 1080p hardware codec is a standard of professional video conferencing. Currently, other conference panels in the market do not have these capabilities. Hardware is the body of product and software is the soul. Powerful hardware has laid a solid foundation for good product experience. Next, let's look into the software design of IdeaHub. First, let's try the collaborative whiteboard. It has become a trend to replace projectors with large-screen conference panels, and wireless projection has become common in digital office scenarios. However, wireless projection faces 3 pain points. First, video smoothness. Second, projection clarity. And third, mouse responsiveness. IdeaHub is optimized to solve these pain points. First, we increase the frame rate of wireless projection from 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second, doubling the frame rate to ensure smooth video and content playback. Second, we use H.265 compression technology to deliver up to 4K resolution. Lastly, we optimize the mouse operations to reduce latency and increase operational accuracy. Let's experience the difference between 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second projection in video smoothness. The left part of the screen shows the 60 frames per second projection effect of IdeaHub. To facilitate interaction with mobile phones, IdeaHub has a built-in NFC chip which enables you to share content from your phone with one tap. Take out your phone and tap it on IdeaHub. Then your phone screen will be projected on the large screen within 1 second. With a built-in NFC, IdeaHub will support more interactions between IdeaHub and mobile phones in the future. Electronic whiteboard is another most frequently used application in collaborative office. The writing latency is the most important factor that determines the whiteboard user experience. When the writing latency exceeds 40 milliseconds, the lag is obvious. We find that latency is caused by multiple times of invocation in the operating system, and the key to reduce latency is the display driver. Instead of operation system optimization, IdeaHub directly optimizes the display driver to achieve 35 milliseconds ultra-low write latency. Compared with Microsoft Surface Hub with 45 milliseconds latency and Cisco WebEx board with 50 milliseconds latency, IdeaHub has 30% lower writing latency. The feature provides users with ultimate writing experience. Let's experience the most responsive handwriting experience in the industry. We can see the writing latency of IdeaHub is noticeably lower. In addition to ultra-low writing latency, IdeaHub also provides intelligent recognition to automatically convert handwritten characters into more legible text. Let's watch a video to experience use of IdeaHub in local seminars. Now, let's move on to professional telepresence conferencing. We've combined our accumulated expertise of audio and video technologies in telepresence conference systems over the past 26 years to build an office hub that everyone can enjoy. IdeaHub can seamlessly collaborate with applications on your phone and the PC client to provide convenient functions such as joining a meeting or saving minutes by scanning the QR code and wireless projection. It supports 30% packet loss concealment for videos and 80% packet loss for audios. Customers can hold high-definition video conferences without the need to reconstruct their office networks. Let's make a comparison of IdeaHub and another conference panel. On the left side, a traditional conference panel is deployed. On the right side, IdeaHub is deployed. You can easily tell the difference. A traditional conference panel needs to be connected to external cameras, microphones, and OPS computers before use. Complex device connections and high integration costs make maintenance difficult. Global statistics show that 71% of faults in meeting rooms are caused by OPS computers and audio-video peripherals. IdeaHub has built-in 4K cameras that produce clear and smooth images and a 12-microphone array that delivers clear and loud sound. The product is highly integrated, allowing users to keep the meeting room clean and tidy. We expect to popularize professional telepresence conference experience with IdeaHub. The product supports H.265 high-definition video conferencing, 4K content sharing, and scalable video coding multi-streaming. Speaking of AI capabilities, IdeaHub is the first to support the acoustic buffer function. The product also supports other AI-based functions such as auto-framing, speaker tracking, and multimodal conference recording. I'll explain the details later. First, let's talk about the experience improvement brought by SVC multi-streaming. IdeaHub supports flexible video layout based on this technology. During a meeting, you can select a site and drag it to enlarge its display area. You are now watching the picture-in-picture mode with one large pane and several small panes. IdeaHub also supports gallery mode with equal-sized panes. Next, I would like to introduce acoustic buffer. People often attend a meeting from their homes or offices but forget to turn off the microphones. A possible consequence is that chats from colleagues and children's laughter are often heard in the meeting. I believe everyone has had a similar experience before. With acoustic buffer, ambient noise is shielded by two virtual walls so that you enjoy a quiet meeting space of your own. How is this achieved? With the 12 microphone arrays, beamforming, and the proprietary AI algorithms, IdeaHub forms a sector area in front of it. Sound within this area can be picked up, and outside this area is shielded. Let's watch a video to experience acoustic buffer.
Now, let's do a test. Right now, I'm in the pickup area of the IdeaHub. Everyone can clearly hear me, right? Okay, now I'm on the outside and keep talking. But when I come back, you can hear me again. It seems like an invisible wall to separate the internal and external sounds. This is HUAWEI's acoustic backbone.
Our next demo is auto-framing. Auto-framing can dynamically adjust the image layout based on the number of participants in the meeting room and automatically displays the optimal view angle. Next, we demo speaker tracking. I will show you the application scenario and effect of this function. With the speaker tracking function, the speaker is always in the middle of the screen.
Gloria, today our topic is HUAWEI's IdeaHub.
Can you introduce me the function? Automatic tracking speakers.
No problem. Let me demo it for you. When I'm speaking, the camera can automatically detect and track me.
Then what if we talk in turn?
If we talk in turn, the screen will display both of us, just like this.
Interesting.
Now, let's watch a video. Huawei offers extensive applications and services through the open Huawei cloud ecosystem. IdeaHub has built in the most frequently used Office applications, such as Bulletin Board and Welcome Board we call HUAWEI. In addition, IdeaHub integrates Huawei AppGallery with more than 170 apps that are adapted to large screen display. Users can directly download and use them. Also, enterprises can display the content of their own web applications on the screen of all IdeaHub devices, facilitating unified information management and distribution. The bulletin board is derived from practices of Huawei internal office system. It can send images and videos to IdeaHub through the cloud service platform and is often used for real-time information release, corporate culture promotion, and product marketing within the enterprise. For customer reception and team building activities, we've developed the IdeaHub whiteboard by referring to the design concept of the Huawei Assistant app on the mobile platform, which enables you to customize activity themes flexibly and effectively. Now, let me show you two examples of open applications. Sometimes no computer is available when you are communicating with a customer. In this situation, you can open the document stored in the USB drive or cloud on IdeaHub. If you want to record a training video, you only need to download the screen recording app from the AppGallery to record the screen and sound. This brings me to the end of my topic. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. I will leave you with a video to show how the open Huawei cloud ecosystem improves IdeaHub.
Thank you, James, for that informative presentation. With this excellent product, you may be asking yourself which industries would benefit from such a solution. Allow me to illustrate how the openness of this solution lends itself perfectly to various industries. Firstly, the financial scenarios. We look at information release. This solution can publish information in your lobbies or your board offices. There's a self-service assistant guiding users for self-service in VIP rooms, such as the opening of accounts or the transferring of money. Branch consultations. The solution offers remote branch consultations with advisors from HQ, providing the efficient use of human resources. The application also lends itself quite well to smart education scenarios. Distance learning. The IdeaHub can be used as a digital whiteboard in the classroom for seamless learning and collaboration. On-site teaching. The IdeaHub has an on-site multimedia whiteboard. It can be used for projection, illustrations, and writing, as well as local collaboration. Teaching offices. It can be used for the deployment in meeting rooms in the offices of the school, as well as for long-distance communication and cooperation between different schools and/or different campuses. Lastly, for remote evaluation or supervision. The IdeaHub can be used for education bureaus or ministries, providing remote evaluation of classroom teaching quality and internal daily supervision. The IdeaHub also provides solutions in smart healthcare scenarios. Live consultation. Specialized consultation, face-to-face communication between the patient and remote medical specialists, as well as medical data sharing. The IdeaHub also provides for hospital collaboration as well as cross-hospital communication. Remote surgery demonstration. The IdeaHub can provide remote surgery training among teaching hospitals, medical schools, and other medical institutions. The IdeaHub also lends itself for nurse stations. For the publishing of medical information, emergency situations, nurses can use video conferencing functions to have a meeting with the attending doctor. HUAWEI has established an open lab center in the Southern Africa region, covering South Africa, Kenya, and Nigeria. The HUAWEI Open Lab will provide integration services for customers and partners, including the following: industry solution test and verification to increase industry competitiveness, and with more partners joining to build industry influence. We will also find more strategic partnerships to lead the industry with innovative solutions. We hope that the presentation from our solution experts has piqued your interest and excitement. We will now have an opportunity to hear the views from our channel partners based on their actual experience.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is James from Pinnacle, and I am the product manager for the HUAWEI UC and VC product sets. I'm focusing on the IdeaHub today, and this is absolutely an amazing product set that HUAWEI has brought to light these recent years. And if I look at the market feasibility and if I look at the opportunities that it's opening up for us, the advantage for the distribution channel, for the resellers, for the rebate programs, the partner program, how it's going to expand everything for us. This is absolutely something that is 100%, in my opinion, an amazing product set. So we've looked at the Africa business, we've looked at the South African business, and the different market sectors that we can penetrate with this product. Your education sector, which is your primary, in my opinion, your financial sector, your mining sectors for the remote viewing capabilities, your government sectors. It's absolutely amazing. We have had various of these sectors showing interest in the product. And I think this is absolutely due to the design and the integrative capability of this product and the absolutely amazing go-to-market strategy that HUAWEI is working on here. It's also looking at that openness and design to integrate within other platforms. For the first time, we're penetrating the market where we have integration with Microsoft Teams and we have integration with Zoom, which is amazing because this is predominantly at the moment your larger point of contact when it comes to these, and this has been a limiting factor. And due to the new open architecture of these devices, personally I'm forecasting a lot of more sales because a lot of our clients previously asked, we want to integrate with Teams. This is especially true in the education sector where Microsoft Teams is one of the most predominantly used platforms looking into remote education. And having this device, being able to integrate these, that's something that's going to break the market wide open. I'm telling you, I have studied this product. I've had some training on it with the Huawei team, and the design, the integrated feature, and that remote virtual presence is absolutely amazing. I am seeing remote medical, I'm seeing remote education, I'm seeing remote financial work. Any type of remote integration, any type of group conferencing type of application is enabled by this device. This is truly an amazing device, and the Huawei IdeaHub, supported by the rest of the Huawei Cloud Link and the rest of the UC platform that Huawei has at the moment, integrative, open, market reaching, the advantages that we're looking at for us ourselves as distributors and the partners, and obviously our end users, is absolutely an amazing product. Thank you and have a good day.
Good day to you all. My name is Remy Anaka. I work with Costaris Technologies Limited. We are the distributor of Huawei Enterprise Business Solutions in Nigeria, West Africa. I start with congratulating Huawei SA region for this wonderful feat for the product launch of the Huawei IdeaHub video conferencing product. Big congrats to you. Yeah, I'm presenting a short video just to highlight the performance of Huawei VC products in Nigerian market in the last couple of years, to be precise. I want to start by saying that Huawei VC products have really done much, have really penetrated some industry, especially the governments, the parastatals and institutions, the FSI and other practical industries. It has been not so smooth. It has been a bit difficult though. Initially we started, but with time, with the effort of the local Huawei team here in Nigeria and our company, our staffs, we were able to penetrate, and now we have Huawei VC products in most government institutions and banks, and the customers are really happy. They're really happy using the product. And one of the things they really like about the products that makes them want to even go buy more and recommend it more is because of the features it has. Our product has some fantastic advanced technology, especially the artificial intelligence. You know, these are the features that makes it unique, differentiated from other products already existing in the video conferencing market. They really get the value for their money. We almost say it has been wonderful. Now the product has really gained strength, some momentum in the market, and it's really making wave. What are the reasons why partners go for the Huawei? Why choose Huawei VC? You know, most of the reasons I pointed earlier has been its features. There are some features that it has that other products don't have, like the artificial intelligence, voice recognition, facial recognition, and some other features it has. And also cost effective. We find that our product is more cheap compared to other products in the market. And also we have the technical support team based here in Nigeria. When the product is faulty, who comes to service it, who comes to repair, the service team, are they well granted? All these things are available for them, you know, and they see it as a plus, as something that makes them to have a peace of mind that their product is well secured and is well guaranteed. Also, we have some of the product highlights of this new IdeaHub VC in the market and its expectation. I'm expecting that this product, with its good qualities, good features, will drive in the market. We have some of the product fantastic features it has, like the collaborative features of this product that gives it the opportunity to integrate with other VC systems, the open ecosystem. This is a wonderful feature this IdeaHub VC product has, and I believe that is going to make it drive it more in the market. It's going to be its selling point in the market, as well as other features too that it comes with. The product is quite a fantastic product, I must say. I have that belief that it's going to work, it's going to do well in the market. And also, I believe that the product is going to receive more support from the enterprise business. Yes, because of its features. And I see it as a product that is going to give other VC products, bring them to limelight because of its features it has. It has some beautiful features, especially this period, you know, whereby traveling is limited. So most of the organizations, meetings, trainings, presentation will be now done in-house, you know. So I believe that it's a product that will receive more support in this time. Talking about incentive is another selling motivation. It motivates people to buy products, to get products, to also sell products. So if there's some little incentive that could be applied to this, it is welcoming. Promo, discounts and the rest. This could also help to drive products more in the market. Finally, I see that this product is going to receive support from enterprise markets. Especially my company, Costaris Technologies, we have been partnering with Huawei for more than 6 years now, and we are always there to give it support. Now, this product is our product. We'll do everything possible to position it in the right market, to drive it, to make it to sell, to give it the awareness that is needed for it. And I believe that is going to be a product that will go places. The sky is just the starting point. Thank you.
Thank you to our channel partners for their incredible contribution to today's event. They really are the driving force of our ecosystem. Distinguished guests, we are now approaching the conclusion of today's event. We have learned that the IdeaHub supports 3 main functions. Firstly, the IdeaHub has a superb interactive whiteboard, which has an extra smooth writing experience, 4K Ultra HD projection, ultra low writing latency, and intelligent handwriting recognition. Secondly, is the IdeaHub's professional video conferencing terminal, which can be used for remote collaboration. It has an AI ability, including acoustic baffle, speaker tracking, as well as auto framing. Lastly, the IdeaHub has an established cloud ecosystem. This includes an HD AppGallery, enterprise bulletin board, software and hardware openness. To our valued customers and our trusted partners, we would like to sincerely thank you for taking the time out to join us today, especially in these trying circumstances. If you would like to keep engaging with us, the chat function will remain open for a further 30 minutes. We look forward to your feedback. This brings us to the conclusion of our event. I implore you all to stay safe and healthy during these difficult times, and we look forward to cooperating with you soon. Thank you.